5 Lessons from the Bhagavad Gita on how to deal with mental health issues. 1. Mindfulness and self-awareness. The Bhagavad Gita teaches the importance of self-awareness and mindfulness in managing mental health. By observing one's thoughts and emotions without judgment, individuals can develop a deeper understanding of their mental state and take appropriate steps to address any imbalances. 2. Detachment from outcomes. A key teaching of the Gita is the principle of detachment from the fruits of one's actions. Applying this to mental health, individuals can learn to let go of excessive worry or anxiety about future outcomes, focusing instead on the present moment and the actions they can take to improve their well-being. 3. Yoga and meditation. The Gita emphasizes the practice of yoga and meditation as means to attain mental equilibrium and inner peace. Through regular meditation and yogic practices, individuals can calm the mind, reduce stress, and cultivate a sense of inner balance and harmony. 4. Seeking guidance and support. The Gita encourages individuals to seek guidance and support from wise mentors or spiritual teachers. In the context of mental health, this can involve reaching out to therapists, counselors, or trusted friends and family members who can provide support, guidance, and encouragement during difficult times. 5. Devotion and surrender. Cultivating devotion and surrender to a higher power is another important aspect of the Gita's teachings. Surrendering one's worries and anxieties to a higher power can provide a sense of relief and perspective, helping individuals to cope with mental health challenges with faith and resilience. In the journey of life, mental health challenges are inevitable, yet the teachings of the Bhagavad Gita offer timeless wisdom on how to navigate these struggles with resilience and grace. By embracing mindfulness, detachment, yoga, seeking support, and surrendering to a higher power, individuals can cultivate mental well-being and find peace amidst life's storms. Just as Arjuna found guidance and strength on the battlefield from Lord Krishna, may we too find solace and wisdom in the teachings of the Gita as we navigate the battlefield of our minds. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.